You good? You good?
Yeah, I gotta get the Hans on.
I think your camera just shut off.
Probably.
It's too hot. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Right 5 over crest, into left 3. 30, small crest. Right 4 long, don't cut, opens. Left 6 plus, tightens 4 over small crest. Again, left 6 tightens 4 plus over crest. 70. Caution, right 4 over crest, sorry. 30, right 5 short. 50, right 4 plus. There's your right 4 plus. Left 5, crest, 70. Left 5 minus over crest opens. 50. Left 4 into right 4 long, drop outside. Right 5 opens. 70, right 4 plus late over jump. Again, right 4 plus late over jump long.
That one's nasty.
Yeah, into left 4, into right 4 plus. Left 5 minus over crest. Into right 6. 70, right 5, into left 4 minus over crest, don't cut. Into right 4 minus. So a right, a left, and then another right. 50, left 6 plus. Into right 5 over crest, sorry. 30, left 5 plus, stay out, open, stay out. Small crest, 30, left 4 over crest.
So a little bit ahead,
yeah,
please.
Yeah. Right 5 over small jump, 30, left 4 long, opens over the crest. Caution, right 5 into left 4, stay out. Right 4 minus over the crest. Caution, left 5, don't cut. Driver should see. What's going on here?
Don't cut.
Oh yeah, here's the don't cut. 50, right 5 plus long over small crest. 70, turn left 4 soft. 300. End of the 300 here is a left 5 plus over small crest into right 4 plus. 30, left 4 over jump into right 6 plus. Double caution, crest, into right 4 plus, drop outside, opens, tightens 5 over crest. And tightens up to 5 over this crest. 70, left 4 minus, don't cut. Right 5, into small crest, the caution, big crest down. Into dip, left 5 dip into left 2. Caution left 2.
That dip is hard.
Yeah. 30. Left 5 short. Crest. Left 4 plus. 30. Right 5 don't cut over crest. There's your right 5 don't cut over crest. Left 6 plus. 50. Left 6. Right 4 don't cut. Caution bump. Tightens 2. Left 4 plus over small crest. 30, stay left over small crest here. 100. Right 5 over plus over small crest and left 3 minus. Again, right 5 plus over small crest and left 3 minus. Into right 4. Over small crest opens. Into left 3, stay out. Left 3, stay out here. Right 5 short into left 3. Into right 5, minus over crest. 30, right 2 plus long.
Right 2?
Right 2 plus long. into left 5, into right 3 plus, into left 3 plus over small jump 50, right 5 over rocks. Again, right 5 over rocks. 100, caution, crest, 20, turn, right 3 at the T. Right 3 at the T here. Left 5. 30, right 3 minus tightens.
Clutch is hot.
Into a left 2 tightens.
Right 3. To a left.
Yeah, right 3 tightens. Into a left 2 tightens. Right 3 plus over crest, don't cut, opens. Crest, 20, left 3. Left 3 plus. Right 3 plus. Into a left 4. 50, right 3 plus over small crest. Left 4 opens, tightens 3. 30. Crest into left, right 3, tightens 2 plus loose. Ooh, yeah, real loose. Into left 4 minus. Into right 5, loose.
Clutch is real hot.
Yep. Right 5 loose, 30. Right 5, or left 3 plus here. Right 3 minus opens. Is it good though? 30, left. Ooh.
This is very hot.
Left 4, don't cut. 30, left 4, don't cut. 100. Stay right over small crest into a left 3. Caution, right 4 over crest. Drop outside. Opens over crest. Small crest. Left 4 plus loose. 30 into a right 4 plus opens. 70. Right 4 plus. 50. Left 5. Into a right 5 minus. 50. Left 3 plus off camber. Long. Opens over the small jump. 50. Right 5 minus. Very long. Over small crest into a left 4. Opens. Tightens 4 minus. Again, this left 4 minus will open and then tighten back to a 4 minus. 30, right 4. 100. Caution, right 4 loose, drop outside.
Post.
30. Right 3, right 4 into left 3. Into a right 5 short. 30, right 4 plus. Into a left 4 plus, opens, tightens to a 3 plus, and opens.
Second.
Left 4 plus, tightens into a 3, then opens. 150. Turn, left 3 at T. Again, turn, left 3 at T, right here. Right 5 long over crest. Ooh, heat. Let it cool down a second. Left 6. Good.
I guess.
Right 4 plus long
Very
down.
long.
Right 4 plus long down. 30. Left 5 minus. Can't get it on. Right 5 long.
I can't touch it.
Into a caution crest, left 4 down, no camber. Again, crest into a left 4 down, no camber. 100. Left 6 plus, very long. 30, double caution, right 3, don't cut, long, drop outside. 50, left 4 long, opens over small crest. 70. Right 6 plus. Triangles. 50, left 6. 50, right 4, very long, tightens 3 plus. $180.
Just need to go downhill.
Yeah. Left 6, small over small crest, stay left. Stay left here. 150. Do what you gotta do to get it cooled down.
If we go downhill, I can press it in.
Yeah. After the end of 150 is the right 5 long. I got the hazards on for you.
Short.
Left 6, tightens 5 minus. $100. Stay left over small crest. Stay left here. 180. Right 5 plus. $70, long small crest. Into a left 6. $150. Left 4 plus long. Small crest and left 5 plus. Into a small crest and right 5 minus, tightens 4. Drop outside, post. Better watch the post, there it is. Triangles.
Oh, the guys just passed us?
I think so. Right 5 minus, opens. Left 4, tightens. 150. Left 6 plus, long. 70. Right 5 minus, tightens. 150. Got it back?
I still don't want to...
Yeah, I got right 6. 50. Left 6 long. 180. Left 4 minus long. $50. Right 6 plus over small crest. Into a double caution, right 3, tightens over crest, drop outside.
Oh! Ooh.
Left 5, into a right 5 plus. Into a left 5 minus over crest, down, opens, tightens 4. 50.
I'm just going clutch.
Right 5 plus. 50. Left 6 over small crest. And right 5 opens. Into small crest, into left 5 minus long. 120. Double caution crest, 50, right 5. Drop on the left, starts.
Just the right 5?
Yep. Into a left 6, into a right 5 plus. Into a crest, left 4, long, opens long. Into right 3, drop outside. 50, left 4 minus. 30, right 5 minus. Into left 5 plus. 30, right 4. Into left 5 plus. Into right 5 short, into left 4 opens, and tightens back to a 5, minus long. Here's where it tightens into a right 6 over small crest. Left 6 long, into a right 4 plus, drop outside. Left 6, tightens 5, into a caution right 5 short, to a hairpin left.
Just gonna clutch in through it.
Yeah,
just let it cool.
That's fine. Hairpin left. I don't need to tell you this is drop outside.
We're going slow.
Yeah. 50. Right 5 plus over the crest, tightens 4. Into left 5, minus. Long crest. 40, hairpin right. 30, right 6 plus into a hairpin left. Again, hairpin left. Hairpin right. Left 5 minus. And right 4 plus long over crest into a hairpin left. Again, the right 4 over the crest into a hairpin left. Left 4 plus here. And hairpin right. And right 6. And small crest. 50, right 4. 100, right 6. This is the right 6, 150. Right 5 plus short into left 4 plus. Drive the line into a left 4 plus. Right 5 plus, that's a good job. 50, left 6 very long. 50, right 6 plus. 50, left 6 over small crest, tightens over the finish. Into a left 6 plus. Good job.